everyone, welcome to Life with Makacheni. I am Umakacheni. On this channel, we are unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about Umushendiki, the ex-boyfriend Yake Umzi. Yes, we can just say ex-boyfriend Yake because Umushendiki has confirmed that he and Umzi, they are no longer together on the last episode of a podcast and chill. Guys, on a podcast and chill, they asked Umushendiki about the saddest or the hardest breakup that he ever had. Obvious washo wathi divorce yakhe was the hardest thing andlule kuyo, just because he never knew or he never thought empilweni yakhe ukuthi uzoba divorce husband, understand, and he really loved umntanakhe was why the bala brother, but unfortunately umshado wabo azange uzohambe kahle and they had to divorce. Uthi after lapho another hardest breakup abenayo yeyakhe nomzi. Uthi on the 25th of December, which it was a Christmas Day, uthole a call from ifemela kubo tatakhe that ubabakhe is no more. Guys, babakhe sekashonile, and aseserumini grieving, crying, crying there. Asa digesta i-loss yakababakhe, only to find out ukuthi umzi ne cousin sister yakhe, they are having clove on another room endlini kamushe. Guys, while they are knowing ukuthi umushe nangu usekamereni uyakhala, akashonga the detail ukuthi ubathole kanjani, but uthi ubathole yena emzini wakhe on Christmas Day, while yena he was busy crying, bona they were busy doing whatever they are doing. Guys, and uSolo umbuzo ukuthi, do you think umzi he was gay or he was bi? Because the allegations or someone from the family said Umzi has never dated, guys, has never been gay. The Bonabama's I straight men, but they were so surprised to go to Umzi now is dating Mushendiki, and that means Umzi we gay. And then what he truly doesn't know who to Umzi berapayo or gay, or he's just a straight man because funeli mali kumusho. You know this thing. I tell guys, Umuhalis did the same thing to Somis. These young guys, first is not guys, even ladies, there are these young people, guys, who just date I'm a celebrities or these older men just for man. I'm not saying Umuhale was not gay or is not gay, but naye ama-actions wakhe towards Somis or umshado wabo bona ama-red flags amaningi, and bowutshengisa ukuthi uzophela. Yamushendikishem, guys, angikaze yazi, angikaze even watching the reality show, I've never nje ngibe nayo lento le, this is a red flag uzohamba nomuntu. Even the way umzibe akaziphatha ngakhona around abantwana, the way he was so happy that they are going to have abantwana. Unfortunately, umshado i-relationship has to come to an end, and we all know that umzi akasebenzi. I remember on the previous season of i-reality show kamushe, umzi really wanted a job, and a lot of us, I was one of those people who felt as if umushe uvalela umzi uthatha umsebenzi. Kanti you know what, i-relationship yabantu abayi-two, and uwo wazi umuntu wakho. I'm so glad futhi ukuthi umzi uphuma ngaphethanga next, because there's no way ukuthi you will cheat with my cousin sister kwami. And then mina, I for one, I don't believe ukuthi bebacala ukuyenza whatever bebayenza that day, or that clove bebayenza lapha kamusha. I don't think bebacala, because lo cousin kamusha umzi, we know that bakangasebenzi. So that means umushe makangekho, umushe uhlala hamba, umsebenzi kamusha umforced ukuthi ahambe noma angafuni ukuhamba. That means umushe makangekho bebayenza, and they were used to doing this thing. That is what I'm thinking, guys. But you can comment down below your thoughts. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Yinithanda ukuya nokubuya.